Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to today's analysis. Today is the 2nd of March 2023. The current time is 7:37, and so we are looking at Bank Nifty, and I believe there is some bandwidth issue, so that's the reason why it is not working. But yeah, just to give me couple of seconds, and then I believe it will just start right away. Okay, so today first of all, I just want to start with the we have broken out of the 5-day balance, and we are seeing some acceptance above, and we saw some supply coming in on the value of the 21st of February. Yeah, so that's what the overall how the price has developed, and we came at the cost basis, or the time point of control of the 21st of February's auction, and then again sellers came in, and then they are just trying to take the price lower. Okay, so this is what has overall happened, and we have so we just chopped, and now we have a good break above the balance, and there we have a spike reference, plus we have a pullback low as a reference. So a lot of references today. Actually, Wednesday, being a Wednesday yesterday, I was expecting it to have a sort of a balancing day, but we had a trending day. So today, I'm expecting, because I'm seeing supply is still coming in at the higher levels, and also from the value, from here. So I'm expecting, supply to again show their cards, but overall, the sellers, or the supply, they are under pressure now, because yesterday, a lot of shorts have exited the system. This auction was primarily to shake out those weak supply, and then today I'll be looking whether we see continuation lower or not. And I was also looking for 40,500 level, so we are way close above it. So for me, this is the level, this is the area of the where I'll be observing the price action, and I'll be seeing whether we are balancing, spending some time, is there any accumulation happening, and also we have the spike reference, to take it forward for today. Yeah, so a bit interesting day, and let me just quickly look at the OI data, to get more granularity and clarity. And yes, so 40,500 is where a lot of put positions have been created. So this is an area which I'll be looking at as an immediate support. If the price opens below this, then you act, first of all, the single print zone, that should be cleared. And second is, if the price opens lower, then we can expect 40,500 to act as the level of resistance. So that's the immediate thing which is coming to my mind. We have a good break above, look above and continue. So this is the overall 5-day range. Yeah, and we had a good look above and continue. And if you see where the pullback came in, it came exactly around the highs of the particular balance. Yeah, so this is the area where the pullback happened. Again, a strong sign that buyers are in control, and this also coincides with the 40,500. So the market generated information, or the data, is telling me that 40,500 is the inflection point for today, for today's auction. Okay, parallelly, on the right, what you see is I'm on the spot chart on a daily time frame. This is also the spot chart, this is the market profile chart, and this is just the the candlestick, simple candlestick daily chart. And here the areas which are of my interest are this HVNs, that is around 41,200, plus there are stops built in this zone. So this is the overall supply zone, and this is the overall where the demand, or the supply is shutting off. Yeah, So again, back to 39,800 to 40,800. Yeah, again 600. Sorry. So this is that 1,000 point range. 1,000 or 1,200 point range. It's still a bigger range to play out. To play with. Okay. So from the daily chart, it's pretty clear that we have got some good buying positions. I'll remove this. But okay, let me just remove this. Then that way it is more clear. And there are a couple of HVNs, which so first of all is the around the low of the day, the low of yesterday, and we have got some trapped shorts from 40,000. So below 40,000 is where the shorts are trapped. So low of yesterday Wednesday and the low of Tuesday. So basically this low and this low. Yeah. So these are the areas where again buying or the supply can shut off, buying can come in. Also we have got this point of reference or this point of control of the Tuesday's auction. Yeah, a lot of data points to play with, to work around with, plus we also have got a point of control here. So yes, but I'm expecting continuation to the higher side, to the upper side, and see, because there are some supply seen. So there is a good supply sitting at 41,000. Also there is some liquidity around this level, plus we have got certain anomalies around this level. We have got an HVN at this level. Yeah, so I'm looking for today. My plan of action is if supply is coming in, just go with them, take some quick scalps of 20-30 points, and then just wait for the right opportunity. So that's what my overall trade plan is for today. And I might trade after 10:30, but yeah, let's see if I get that opportunity or not. So I'm just jumping to the 3-minute time frame chart, and one of the things which I'll be looking at is this particular choppy zone. So basically Tuesday is where a lot of retail players, they were chopped off. So this is that accumulation zone where again if the price comes, I'm expecting some sort of responsive buying, and and yeah. So this zone is very important for me today. So first of all this is the reference which I'll be looking at. If this breaks, then I'll be looking to take a short, and then 40,000 level can be reached. But before that, this is that band, or this is the zone where we'll see some sideways action. And if you see, a lot of supply is trapped, or the shorts are trapped here. Okay. So that's one one area which I'm looking at. I'm also seeing another zone like this. Yeah, so for me this is also a good zone of 40,520 to 40,600, or 620. So again, 100-point range where again the supply might shut off. Yeah, so these balance zone, I'll be taking it forward, and then based on that I generally plot my. Okay, so I'm seeing one zone is here, we have got one zone here. Yeah, I believe this zone is okay, just hold on, just zooming in. So this is one balance zone and this is one balance zone. Okay, so I'm more convinced with this sort of balance zone. And now these are the areas where I'll be measuring supply, and based on the price action, I'll be taking the trades. So first of all is what I mean by that is if you open gap up, that's fine, but I'll be looking this as reversals, because previous day high, and this is the area where again some supply will shut off, and there are trapped sellers in this zone. So they will be the ones who will be buying first, those trapped shorts or the trapped sellers, and then I'm expecting continuation if the price opens gap up. Let's say the price does not open gap up, it opens within this range. So I'm also seeing another area. If I just connect all this, so there is a sort of a trend line. I'll wait for this trend line to break, and for me, I'll be observing the reaction at this levels, and based on that, I'll be taking the trade. Yeah. So just keeping it a bit short, and I got a couple of meetings from 8:30 IST. So yeah, That's why I'm recording this video a bit early. Yeah. So yeah, thank you. And let's see how the price develops, and with that take the trades. Okay.